So I was about to not record this video, and I thought to myself that not recording this video would make me a fraud. You have to be willing to give up everything to accomplish what you're going after in this life. So many dudes will come to me with these huge aspirations. I want to be a millionaire in a year. I want to be a millionaire in 2 years. I want to have 10 girls all over me all the time. I want to harem. I want to travel the world. I want to do this and that. And I say to them, sick. So what are you doing right now? What's the first thing you do first thing in the morning? What are you doing on a daily basis? And we'll get down to it. And, the first thing they do is usually hit that snooze button and get on the phone for maybe 20 minutes or so. Some of you guys are even jerking off first thing in the morning. I say, okay, what are you doing on the girlfriend? Oh, well, I got Tinder fired up. Okay, show me your pictures. Okay, these pictures are terrible. You're not this bad looking of a guy. Why have you not went and got a photo shoot? Why have you not had one of your boys take a whole bunch of pictures of you? Okay, so you're not even going to go out this weekend because you're really prioritizing sleep right now. You're prioritizing the gym. These are the things that you're prioritizing in your life. Okay, so you want these women. You want the body, you want the money, but you're not really willing to give up the Blanky. And you got to be willing to give up the Blanky. So what in your life are you doing that shows the universe in any way whatsoever? What sacrifices are you making in your life that shows the universe or God or whatever you believe in that you actually deserve to get to where you want to go? There must be sacrifices. If you look at the life that you should be living in order to, I don't want to say the word should. I actually recently, maybe I'll make a separate video about this. I'm trying to eliminate the word should from my vocabulary. If you look at the life that you need to be living in order for you to accomplish whatever the goal is, whether it's the gym, the girls, the money, whatever it is, the life you need to be living, does your current life look anything like that at all? The answer is typically going to be no. Does the man in your future, the man that you want to be, that has the women, that has the money, that has the body, that has all these things, is that man waking up and getting TikTok every day? Is that man eating McDonald's on his lunch break instead of meal prepping? Is that man getting off of work, playing video games for 3 hours instead of going to the gym, and then from those video games you have a headache and you've just been sitting there for 3 hours, and so now you're really tired, you're not going to go out and socialize, you're not going to go out and do anything, build relationships. If the life you're living right now looks nothing like the life that man is living, then stop looking so much at what you need to start doing and start looking at what you need to stop doing. Many of you are jerking off every single day to porn. Many of you are very addicted to pornography. Even more so, I would say many of you are horrifically addicted to social media. You watch YouTube pranks all day long on your lunch break. You watch TikToks, you watch Instagrams all day long instead of developing skills, instead of socializing, instead of meal prepping, instead of going to the gym. And so what I was thinking about when I was on this walk is I was thinking about the plight of young men, and I was thinking about a lot of what I've gone through in my life to get to where I am now. And there has been so much pleasure and so much pain for me in the last 10 years. You cannot have one without the other. So if you want to live a very average life where you avoid a lot of pain, then you're never really going to get a lot of the pleasure it is that you seek. Whether that's egoic pleasure, that might be something like looking really cool to people. That's okay. A lot of us want status. We are very status-driven individuals. You might want that status. You might want hedonistic pleasures. You might want to have crazy fun times. You might want to be on a boat. You might want to have 2 different chicks sucking your dick at the same time. But what are you sacrificing? If this is your baseline, then how far down you are willing to go, how much pain you are willing to endure. That is the same exact and inverse level of pleasure and satisfaction that you are ever going to get in your life. So stop being a baby with your binky and your blanket and your TikTok first thing in the morning and you're jerking off every day and you're not going out and socializing and you won't go get the photo shoots. Stop being a baby. Grow up and start looking at all of these primordial little fucking baby pleasures that you are indulging on a daily basis and start looking at those and saying, I have to cut these out. And I'm not going to get into this right now. I'm not going to get into how to stop an addiction through whatever, Sometimes it's not going to be easy. Sometimes there's not a little hack. There's not a little meditation, a little fucking breath work thing, and a little fucking self-love exercise. It's not going to be that way. Sometimes you're going to have to sit there and just listen to a podcast and freak the fuck out because you don't have Adderall that day. And you're going to have to just deal with it. And because you are so unwilling to go to that valley of pain, then you will never reach the peaks of pleasure. And so that's all I got for now. Thank you.